everyone, so today I woke up, okay, now it's like 4:30. So we're going to Bayfair right now, and yeah, you guys will see how it goes. We're going a little bit of shopping, Oh. We done groceries.
Not that one, the one next to
And a little bit of shopping. We're gonna pick up some pizza. Pizza. We're by the beach. Hey! It's so pretty out here. Hey! Oh, Sean's gonna have one.
Oh, can you give it to me now?
The beach is beautiful. It's like so beautiful.
Really flat today too.
But it's nice.
Maybe show them the mount.
Yeah. You see Seagull eating the fishes. We're going near the fishes. Oh my goodness, we're eating pizza for dinner. $5 only. Oh my god. Ham and cheese. This plastic's so good. I love pizza so much. Gorgeous out here. If you can see, there's like horses there. Hey, look who's here, Oscar.
Oh, you're on video.
Hey. Yeah. He just came to drop by and say hi, and we're gonna watch Flash soon. And the Christmas tree is up. Hey.
YouTube shit.
Yeah.